Hi, all about 3D printed soup. Come for the croutons, stay for the hot melted plastic. If like me you're born in the 80s, you'll probably have some interest in retro gaming, and you've probably got retro 80s consoles or 90s consoles hanging around, and that means you also have loads of these. Gamepads. Now gamepads are fantastic pieces of 90s design, and they shouldn't be wasted by sitting in cupboards or in plastic boxes way away from being seen. They should be out on display in your house. How do you do this? You do this by mounting them to your walls. I've been on Thingiverse and found some fantastic 3D printed computer gamepad wall mounts. Now these things look absolutely excellent, so I'm going to print these out and make my man cave look a little bit more 80s and retro by having some really cool gamepads mounted on the walls. Links in the description below as always. Let's give this a try. Okay, those turned out really, really nicely. In fact, yeah, so we got the PS1, PS2, megadrive or Genesis if you're in the States, and I got my Xbox One up there as well because I like the way it looks. I'm going to print out some NES, SNES and also a Dreamcast one as well for later in the week, but at the moment those four are a really, really good example of how you can make 90s and 80s games consoles into a bit of art for your man cave. So, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button at the top so that you know when I upload a sporadic video. Thanks for watching.